That guy's gonna valet our shit. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded any content lately, but I've been working on other stuff. I've been planning out some stuff, some content. I don't want to put out some trashy content. I want to put out really good content, useful content, exciting content, things like that. I'm about to meet with Subious Bros from Instagram. He's a pretty cool guy that has a page with a bunch of quotes and different cars, all of our cars from Instagram. If you follow him, you'll know who he is. And he has pretty inspiring quotes out there. He just got his car, so I remember the first time that we spoke, he wanted to meet up. As soon as he got his car, he got his car delivered. All right, guys, so I'm at the meetup location, and Subious Bros is literally down the street. He's about to come and meet me, and we're gonna go ahead and check out his brand new 2019 STI. We're all about meeting people and inspiring people and inspiring each other. You know, I'm an inspiring YouTuber. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing until it gets boring. So meanwhile, let's meet this guy. Oh, here he comes, and let's say what's up to him. Look at that, guys. Beautiful white 2019 STI just creeping up here. Let's get this shot. Damn, clean car. Look at that, guys. Yo, let's go meet this guy. What's up, brother? Good to finally meet, man. Guys, I'm here with Subious Bros.
What's up, Subious Bros?
We finally get to link up. First impressions, super beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
Clean car. Look at this. Oh my God. Worth the wait.
It was, man.
So you actually started, let's come this way, I don't want to get ran over. You actually started your Instagram page with those beautiful quotes, by the way. Awesome, beautiful quotes. Before you got your car, and you're that passionate about these cars.
Yeah, so from the get-go, about a year ago, I had a plan to buy a Subaru, and a bunch of my friends, like 3 of us, kind of agreed to, hey, let's buy a Subaru.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be all STI, WRX, but like any kind of Subaru, right? But I had my eyes on STI from the get-go. But I had another car that lease was done this year. Okay. So I knew this year I had to get a new car.
Okay.
So I've been waiting for it. And then I started the page.
Okay.
With my passion and everything, just keep my energy level up.
Yeah.
And throughout that whole year was a great experience. Getting to know a guy like this, you know,
yeah,
all the friends in Instagram.
It's all about meeting people.
And finally, after plan for a whole year, and it's here, and we get to do a meetup.
Well worth it, man.
That's what it is, man.
That's super awesome. You guys have to check out his Instagram page, and there's a YouTube channel coming by?
It's coming in summer, baby. Probably July, August-ish. We have a channel up and running.
Beautiful.
Then it's gonna be a lot more other channels,
man.
Like other ideas coming in.
That channel's gonna be fire. I know it is, yeah, man. And your Instagram page is already picking up. I can see it, you know. But let's check out this car, man. Beautiful pearl white car. At the sunroof. I have this car and I've been having it, but just seen another one in a new year, same model. It still excites me. It's insane. We found a spot to park, and I'm just gonna do a quick walk around of the 2019 Subaru WRX STI. Pretty much the same car as the 2018. I strapped the GoPro on there already because we were getting some cool shots. Pretty much the same quad exhaust. You already got the vortex generator from factory. We got the Brembo brakes. Let's check out the front ones because those are huge. We got the Brembo brakes right here. Just a beautiful shot right there. And then you got the license plate relocator right here. License plate relocator. You got the pinstripe. You got the pinstripe right here. And check this out, guys. So he mentioned to me that pretty much the only difference on this badge, if you guys can tell, it's a little bit more lighter red, maybe getting towards pinkish, but not really, versus we got this badge. It's a little different color. That's about the only thing I found that was like a huge difference. But anyways, let's check out the interior real quick. We got the key in our pocket, keyless entry right here. New car smell. New car smell. Leather steering wheel. Feels awesome. Stock shift knob. This little companion. This one comes with the sunroof back here. Super cool. It's already tinted. We got the Recaro seats. Spacious back seats. Super clean car. Like I said, same thing as the 2018 Harman Kardon right here. Sound system. So it must be bumping. You see, guys, I don't have that, so I'm kind of jealous right now. Super clean car. Again, the suede here. The piano black. Same right there. You guys gotta check out this Instagram that I was talking about right there. So definitely gonna tint the windows, he said. What else do we think?
Trying to get the roof wrapped.
Roof is gonna be wrapped in the next couple weeks, maybe by the end of next month.
We got some
Gonna look nice.
overlay on the tail lamp.
The overlays on tail light. So he's gonna full red, right? You're gonna go all red.
All red.
So this whole tail light, he's gonna get this white part red as well. So the whole tail is it's gonna look very clean, But yeah, guys, 2019 pearl white. So originally, this was the color that I was gonna go for, and then somehow I got this.
I know, man.
It's yin yang right here.
You won't stay there for long that way, huh?
Oh no! So yeah, so I'm gonna actually close this video revealing my next plan. So, but that's the plan. We're gonna do something really nice to this car. But
like monumental, right?
yes.
Don't do that to my car.
That guy's gonna valet our shit.
Ooh, don't do that.
Sophia, the sports Mercedes, what is that, BMW? Yeah. Okay, the spot right next to the register, huh?
Shit.
Okay. These two cars, they don't go through there. They're very low. Okay. Go back to the side.
So we decided to park our own cars because we saw.
Excited, you guys?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah. Because this fucking valet guy
This crashed, almost
That
crushed
Mercedes.
that Mercedes. That's crazy.
Yeah, he done fucked up the whole bottom. Oh look, there's another Subi over there.
Yeah, there you go.
Wait,
That was crazy.
yeah, that was nuts. Anyways, we're out here at Malibu Cafe. About to get a dope ass shot in there. Yeah, that scared me, yo. Good thing that we did it.
Good thing that we were right there.
I think I caught it on camera too. I
You
heard
did?
That, I was like,
Oh my
shit.
God. I was like,
Yeah, valet guys, I don't fuck with them. They don't take care of your car as much as you take care of your car. Our boy Harold is here. Shout out Harold. He made it.
whoever that is.
I'm about to get a shot of Harold though. With the blue Subi WRX. What's up, baby? Thanks for coming, man. Subious Bros our boy. Hey, we all finally meet, yo. Like, this is nuts. This is what it's about. We all just met up here at Malibu Cafe and we're about to check this place out. I've never been here and it looks freaking awesome. So let's check it out. Just live music. Check it out. Bro, I never been to a place like this. They have like a life-size Connect 4. A fire pit.
Are you getting ready? How are you feeling about your Hebrew?
We just stopped over here in one of the viewpoints and we wanted to take some pictures of the car. And look at that background. Alright guys, so while we were out here in Malibu, we decided to come to
Neptune's Net.
Neptune's Net. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of where the hell we are, but it's a dope ass iconic place. This is the highway. That way and that way. We are in PCH Malibu. And this is where Paul Walker and Vin Diesel raced the Ferrari with the Supra. And I'll show you guys a clip.
Make me a superstar. It don't matter who.
I can't pay for my own shrimp.
I got the shrimp.
Nah, see, that's one thing about me, Dom. You don't understand. I don't need handouts. I don't take handouts. I earn my way every step.
Super iconic place. I think I visited so many Fast and the Furious locations and this one was one of them that I needed to visit. So thanks to my boy Su Young, aka Subious Bros, for bringing us out here. And yeah, let's grab a Coke. We didn't see any Ferraris that we can smoke today, so you know, whatever. We just parked the cars and we're gonna play it safe today. We're gonna play it safe. What's going on, guys? So I try to end the vlog out there at Neptune's net, but I'm still getting a hang of this camera, and I had it on a total different setting. I had it on slow-mo, so when I did the closing it was all bad. But anyways, I'm gonna close the video now. We want to send out some positivity. Su Young, awesome guy. Thanks to my boy Harold, came through all the way from Palmdale. So we want to create more content. We talk so much business. We had a really long chat over dinner, or over lunch and dinner earlier today. So many collaborations are about to happen with Subious Bros and the channel. But make sure you guys go out and follow him. Super humble guy. Also, for all of those that follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I did post and captioned that I will be doing a full body vinyl wrap work on this car, and that's gonna come soon. I am gonna document that on the vlog, so those who want to check out the work that I do and how I do it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for the next one.